Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician, and we are dealing with the psychology for the first BHMS homeopathic students, and our topic is topic number 11, psychology and its branches. So let us go ahead with that. Psychology as a subject has a very wide area of application. There is hardly any limit or field where the psychologists do not have a role to play. According to American Psychological Association, they have enlisted 56 areas where psychologists work, and they are major branches are as under number 1, clinical psychology. The clinical psychologists deal with mentally sick people. They have good training in psychotherapy. Second is industrial organizational psychology. Industrial psychologists deal with the performance, job satisfaction, and motivation. These are the key issues to explore about. How can a worker become good, job satisfied? How worker can be further motivated? Third area is a health psychology. Health psychologist is on physical health has 3 areas of main thrust. Number 1 is the preventive of diseases or prevention of diseases. Here they educate the people with lifestyle management, which ultimately ensures in the first place that the people should not fall ill at all. Majority of the chronic diseases, as we know, are because of the lifestyle disorders. Say for example, we have diabetes, hypertension, coronary artery disease. So the people need to educate, they need to be educated in practice of a healthy lifestyle so they can ward off these evil diseases. B is the psychological aspect of physical illness. There are people who have psychosomatic disorders. So the psychologists deal with the psychological aspect of a patient, their psychological problem along with the stress and tension of modern day life. To help such patients, psychological intervention is introduced. Medical research psychology. These people try to identify the cause which leads to illness. They also work to identifying healthy behaviors that can lead to better health. Number 4 area is a consumer psychology. Here psychologists are concerned with how the advertisement is made to be more effective. Product especially aimed for children, why they use cartoons and jingles. Studies of behavior, studies the behavior of buyers. They also study the behavior of buyers, who are the people who purchase what kind of things and product. Which area of the town has a high consumption of particular item. Fifth is environmental psychology. It deals with what kind of construction gives a psychological feelings. Some of the buildings you will find may depress you, or may you feel happy about it just going inside that building. Building may also give you feeling of liberation, or as if one is in prison. Sometimes buildings are very dark, they make you sick. They should be lighted in such a manner that even a depressed person may feel a ray of hope. These are the issues an environmental psychologist deals with. Buildings, gardens, with jungles, interior decoration. Sports psychology. It deals with the psychology of a sports person and works on how to raise the level of motivation, give a suggestion for preventing injury. Even if he is injured, how can he may be able to cope up with the injury and still continue playing with his game? How to reduce his stress level, and how to gain in team spirits. Forensic psychologist, these are the people who deal with crime and criminals. They study why people commit crime, why do they become criminal, what different types of crime takes place, what pathological factor found behind any particular type of a crime, why do people beat children, why people batter their wives, why do people torture others. They are engaged in prison, deal with rehabilitation program of criminals also. School psychology is very important, deals with the method of education. Psychology of a child is the impact of the teacher and the impact of the atmosphere in the school has on the child. They also assist in the evaluation of aptitude test of child. For example, a child decides in one area where he wants to go in future. Thank you very much for patient listening.